Hello?
Hello, Retta.
Hello?
Do you like scary houses?
Haunted houses, ghosts and goblins, nightmares, jolts, frights, and me, Retta. I mean, it's just like a... You son of a... It's spooky season, and I'm traveling across the country in search of the 9 scariest houses we can find. Whether it's spooky scary,
4 owners have died in this house.
or just scary looking, I don't want to get in it. Witchy vibes. I'm talking about the houses you wouldn't be caught dead in. Unless you're dead already, that is.
We call them our extra roommates.
I'm good alone, thank you. We've already seen the most nightmarish in the Northeast.
This is the most dangerous part of the house.
You have got to be kidding me.
And the most mysterious in the Midwest.
I don't want to go in there at all.
Prisoner in your own home! Spooky South, I fear what you have in store. The South, it isn't all scenic coastlines and serene swamplands. With some of the most haunted homes in America, things aren't always fine and dandy when you're down yonder. My first stop in the spooky South is in Gulf Shores, Alabama. The trees are creepy. Jeez Louise. My journey to find the scariest house in America finds me in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Down the road is the historic and abandoned Fort Morgan. Locals believe that ghosts roam the base at night. Lucky me! This is the house. Yeesh. Why is this still standing? It's definitely scary from the outside. Just so y'all know, I'm not going in that part. I don't care what my contract says. Nope. Oh, boy. Knock, knock.
Hello.
You must be Chantal.
I am.
How
It's
are
nice to meet you.
You look lovely in your pink. Hi, Wade.
Hello, how are you?
Not bad.
Come on in.
No, let's come outside and talk about the outside of the house first.
Well, Mom and Dad bought the house in '73, and lived here my whole life.
I'm Wade, this is my wife, Chantel, and we have the scariest house in America. The house is built out of concrete. It's got all the twisted columns. It's one of a kind.
There's a lot of history and a lot of spirits.
In the middle of the night, there's doors closing, the sound of somebody walking angry. Things on the shelf all of a sudden just bloop, hit the floor.
And we just deal with it. Mother and Daddy spent a lot of blood, sweat, and tears working on this house. We're not going anywhere.
So we're going in this way?
Sure.
If you have anything that touches you or taps you on the fanny, and that's just part of what he does. Ladies,
Talking about
yes.
somebody here who's not standing here.
Right.
Okay. All right.
So
well,
just be prepared.
here we go. Hey! Whoa! I feel like I'm in a period piece.
Well, you are. Back in the day, this was a gangster house.
Really?
It was built by Nick Crump, and he was married to Al Capone's sister, Winnie.
Do we think he used to come out here and hide out?
It's the rumor, and there's supposedly a secret room.
And the entrance to it has not been found.
Where's the room at?
This room has a whole lot of activity. You would hear glass breaking, crashes, and then there was nothing
There.
there. Wade, he's had his ankles pulled on.
I'd be laying there in bed, somebody just kind of like pulling, tugging on me.
I mean, mob house or not, it's pretty creepy.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. So this is what, a guest room?
It was just another room off of Mom and Dad's room. Nobody's ever slept in that bed. To be given to
Holy
me.
cow. I mean, this carpet.
Shag. It was shag.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Now it's flat. There's a hole in the floor underneath the bed where they would bring stuff up. This is a dumbwaiter.
Oh, they're supposed to be.
Yes.
There's all this creepy stuff around. You gotta lead with the hole is supposed to be there. Noted. So this room was...
My parents' mom.
Let's check it out.
Yes. Yeah, we had a little leak there.
What if, like, we just saw a bunch of stuff fly out of the hole where the leak came from?
There has always been a lot of activity here. Mom had a psychic medium come in, and she made it into the door and left.
When your house scares mediums away, it's time to take a step back and weigh the pros and cons of the space. Okay, what's our next spizot?
Go across the walkway
breezeway.
to the...
Across the walkway. Just so y'all know, I'm not going in that part. All right, this is the breezeway.
Yeah, that's the breezeway to the other side of the world.
It looks like it's about to fall down.
There you go. There
Look
you
at that.
go.
Look what you did today.
Wait, I was brave.
You was.
And we're headed in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in this bathroom. I mean, is this our shower? This is taking up quite a bit of the bathroom. This is so random to use concrete. The concrete curtain. You already don't have a lot of space. Then you're gonna put a concrete wall in there?